All right, so this is the Hilton Garden Inn in Palo Alto, which is about 20 minutes south of the airport, so south of San Francisco Airport, I should say. Got king-size bed. Got, I imagine that's a sofa bed. Yep. Got a sofa bed there. Air conditioning, obviously. Really good sized desk to work at. Some storage. A small fridge. A microwave. Keurig coffee machine. Now you can buy these pods in like a local supermarket, and they do the Peet's coffee, which is one of my favorites. Got a tea, decaf, and 2 regular coffees. Some creamer. Really easy to operate. Ice. It's a television. Got USB-A and 3 American sockets. By the beds, there's a USB-A port and regular mains power. And the same on this side. Bathroom. It's got a walk-in shower. And some toiletries. Soap. That's it. Housekeeping by request. Complimentary. That's interesting. It almost feels like they're going to start charging in places. I obviously have no information, but it's just when you see those things, you start to wonder. I'm guessing there used to be soaps and things here. Because if you look, I noticed it there. There we are. Right, and then finally the wardrobe. Got an iron, a small safe, and ironing board. And that's it.